Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Betway Sports app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Betway Sports on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from your browser. It's quite easy. You can just go ahead and search for Betway and download it on your phone. After you download and install it and finally open it, you will see this type of interface, which is a basic interface of Betway. So want to learn how you can register for Betway? You can just go ahead and click on register, and you can see the welcome offer or the get up to £30 in free bets. So choose according to your choice. Then what you need to do is write down your personal information. So let's go ahead and start writing our personal information, like our first name and your last name. So after you do this, you can go down and find date of birth. Go ahead and mention your correct date of birth because it's quite necessary for the verification process. Now you must set up a username for yourself. After you write down your username, go ahead to the password section and write down your password. Make sure your password is secure. Go ahead and check your password once by clicking on this eye icon. After that, go ahead and write down your email address. And on the next section, write down your address. And after this, scroll all the way down. This is for the limit. You can set the limit according to your wish. And go ahead and click on this email for the latest promotions. Or you can just keep this for a while and click on register. After you click on register in a while, a mail might be sent to your email with which you just register right now. So go ahead and check that mail and enable it. Sometimes this method is not necessary and you can start doing betting right away. So you can right now see that you have been logged into your account and created your account as well. So now you can start betting. At first, you must enter your banking details and make a deposit, and then you can start betting quite easily. So if you click on feed, you can see some of the feeds options over here, and you can see some of the games. So there's a free bet as well. You can just go ahead and click on it and explore some of the free bets you can place, and some of the bonuses you might get using this free bet option. If you want to check about other sports, you can do that as well. There are some sports like football, tennis, basketball, slots, esports, Betway Sports, hockey, cricket, table tennis, golf, baseball, and a lot of other sports. So you can click on any of these and you will be headed to some football matches which you can bet. So you can just go ahead and tap on any of these and you can see the bet slip has been created. Now you can enter your betting price and estimated return. So click on accept all odds and line changes and keep selection in bet slip so you can see the deposit option. Just go ahead and click on deposit over here. Now you can choose the deposit method so you can see how much you want to deposit. And now you can start making bets. So it's quite easy to bet from Betway as well. So if you want to withdraw your money, you can do this right here. But you must have some money to withdraw it, so you can go back for now. And you can see that there are some promotions as well over here. So you can just go ahead and click on opt-in after you opt the betting or free. So you can see there are a lot of promotions going on over here. If you want to earn extra money, you should just go ahead and click on promotions talking about the feed or your profile. You can just go ahead and open that way. And then go to your feed and select some football information or any of the information over here. You can see who you want to follow. Just go ahead and follow. These things are matches and you will get some similar feedbacks as well. So if you want to start betting, Betway Sports is quite helpful. I'm going to teach you how you can create a bet slip. Just go ahead and tap on the bets like this, and the slip can be created. So you can just go ahead and select one of these and you can see the odds. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go to football, and I'm going to place a bet on any of match and some other betting slips as well. So you can see that as soon as you click on the odds, the betting slip will be created. So the betting slip will all be over here. You can see the total estimated returns after you keep your stake over here. So it's quite easy and efficient to bet with. If you want to see your bets, you can go to my bets over here and you will get all of your history. So talking about your profile, you can see your profile over here as well. Just go ahead and tap on your profile and you can see your account. So if you go to settings, you can set the odds display. So there are some options like fractional, decimal, and American. I suggest you to keep it on decimal because this is for the Asian view. So in the settings option, you can see some of the options over here as well. You can change it according to your wish. So if you want to log out of your account, just go ahead and click on log out, which is over here. So guys, this is all about how you can use Betway Sports. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.